Welcome back to the Xage Policy Manager overview. Today we'll be discussing data integrity and privacy. Here we have the option to enable and disable data integrity and privacy. Data integrity and privacy encrypts the traffic between two devices protected by the Xage enforcement point. The Xage enforcement point is a physical micro PC interposed between an OT device and the network. Optionally, you can also interpose a Xage enforcement point in front of a switch that connects multiple OT devices to the Xage enforcement point and then to the network. In our environment, we see that we have one Xage enforcement point that is configured to speak to a Raspberry Pi. Our other Xage enforcement point gives an example of an enforcement point connected to a switch that's connected to multiple OT devices. To enable two devices to have a secure communication path, we simply create a policy that enables a device-to-device communication by selecting device groups, selecting the device that's going to communicate and the other device that's going to communicate, and creating the policy. Once we've done so, we can go to the System Manager, to the System Overview, and check the mark for data integrity and privacy enabled. This will automatically build a IPSec tunnel between the two Xage enforcement points. Because the Xage enforcement points speak directly to the devices, all traffic is directly encrypted right out of the device on the Xage enforcement point, transported through the network to the other Xage enforcement point via the IPSec tunnel, decrypted at the other endpoint, and then provided directly to the device at the other end. Because many protocols in the industrial environment communicate with unencrypted and plain text data via the TCP layer, Xage has included this option to protect that data from being tampered with.